That's right. Now, the funny thing about the cat in the hat is he's got a very, very long body. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with his head, but we're gonna put his head almost in the middle of the page. So we're gonna start right about there for his head. And we're gonna bring it around like that. We're gonna start like that. And then we're gonna make his lip come out like this. Go around like that. That's nice. A little squiggly line like that. And then we can continue it up. We join his lip like that, almost line it up with the top of his head. And it'll come down like that. There we go. His neck there. His neck there. And now what we can do is a little bow tie here. One there. Like that. And that. And then his body's gonna come down like this. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna have his hands joined like this in the middle of his body, right here. So we're gonna draw his hands. So his thumb right there like that. One thumb, two thumbs like that. Bring it around like that for the back of his hand. Same over here like that. That's looking nice. And then we can join up some fingers here. So we'll go like this. 1, 2. Just like that. Squiggly lines, that's all it is. And then what we can do is continue this one like that. And then make this hands there. And that will be like that. Very nice. Just a little squiggly up there. And then this one will come down like that. As if it's behind here. Squiggly like this, just like over here. And join it like that, because he's got gloves on, just like Blue Hands. And then we can continue his shoulder down. And it will be like this, just like that where his elbow is going to be. And then up to his hand. There we go, that's looking good. And then his body in there, just like that. Now, the cat in the hat's got a bit of a tummy, so he's gonna come out like this. That's right. And then his backside will be here like this. Joined just like that. Isn't that nice? And then his two fun little feet like this. 1 and 2. Just like that. That's nice. He can bring us a line up there for his legs. And a little bit there for his tummy. This is looking nice. And what we can also do here now, since we're down here, is we'll draw his tail. And his tail is always a bit of a squiggly one now, isn't it? Going like this. Slowly getting thinner as we go up to the point there. That's nice. We're looking good here. Now what we can do is join his head up. So we're gonna continue on his neck here that we left. We're gonna come up like this, around just like that. And now what we can do is draw his ear. His ear's gonna be a little pointy guy like that. Just like that. And then it's gonna come up like that. Joined like that. Isn't that nice? We can make a little line there for his ear. We're looking good. And now we can draw his hat. So his hat's gonna start here. Right like this. And his hat's the big part because he is the cat in the hat. Behind his ear like that. And join it up. There we go. Just a big plate. Perfect. And we'll draw a line here. And continue a little line like that. There we go. Now his hat's gonna go all the way up, and it's a big old hat, just like that. So feel free to draw a big old line there, a little bump here, a squiggly or two here, and another bump here. There we go. And then another bump here, and then we can bring it all the way down here, and we'll join it just on the other side of his ear. That's looking nice. Now don't forget to draw a stripe here, a stripe here, another stripe here, and then he's got his last stripe right here. There we go. Almost done. All we have to do is his eyes now. So the Cat in the Hat's got big old oval eyes. 1, 2, just like that. A little nose right there. Very simple. And little dots in his eyes, just like that. Now his eyelashes are funny because they kind of come down, just like that. Just like that. There we go. A couple of dots on his lip. And then we can make some whiskers here. 1, 2. And over here, 1 and 2. Looking nice. Looking very nice. And let's not forget some eyebrows here. 1 and 2. There we go, everybody. And now what we can do is do some squigglies. Dr. Seuss always has a lot of squigglies. So we're gonna do a lot of this kind of thing. Just to put some texture on the Cat in the Hat. Just like this. And like this. It's a lot of fun. Make him look as if he's got some fur. That's the idea. Up a little bit here. Even throw in a little bit of lines there, here, and around here. Looking good. We like this, and now we can go and do color. All right. So really all we're doing is adding the red to his hat and his tie. And I've added a little bit of tie at the bottom there.